We have another massive shoot day today and you are coming along behind the scenes. It really does take an army to bring big shoots like this together, so we're actually going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to show you what everyone's main role here at FJC is versus what their role actually is when it comes to massive photo shoot days. So come along and we'll show you what everyone gets up to.
This is Paige. Usually you will find Paige scrolling on one of the 4 work phones, frequently reminding everyone that she is in fact working.
I promise you I am working.
On shoot days, you'll find her holding the DJI in one hand and a phone in the other, making sure she's capturing all the juicy BTS. She also pops into frame every now and then to help with any set or lighting changes that Jessie requires. What I don't think she expected was that she would be lying on the floor, holding a yoga ball, trying to stop a model from falling while wearing roller skates. This is Maddie. Maddie would frequently describe what she does by doing emails, which seems like a knee-jerk reaction whenever she is asked on camera what she is doing.
Email stuff at the minute. I've been working on that email all day.
Maddie's main role on shoot days usually ends up being the test shot subject for Jessie, which means we end up with gems like this and this. Maddie is found running around making sure things run smoothly, whether that be helping models or helping Jessie. Among all this, she still finds time for her emails and making sure our socials are well and truly updated. This is Lauren. Normally found with headphones on blocking out the chaos, Lauren does a little bit of everything. Currently, she is editing this video. This is Lauren's first time working on set, so she is helping where she can. Whether it's preparing the catering for the well-deserving cast and crew, or spontaneously driving around the Brisbane CBD to collect props and lenses, she is always on the move, until she's back behind her laptop, typing away, either doing pre- or post-production. This is Jessie. Jessie isn't like a regular boss. She's a cool boss. Jessie is usually taking photos, starring in TikToks, and directing everything that's going on. On this particular shoot day, she was also taking photos, starring in TikToks, and directing everything that's going on, and complaining that things are chaotic.
There's just too much chaos going on.
Chaos.
It may just look like Jessie is really good at pressing a button, but she's also really good at showing off the poses, making sure the lighting looks absolutely gorgeous, and delivering photos that are a perfect blend of the client's vision and her personal style. This is Hong. Hong is Jessie's favourite, and she doesn't even work here.
She's my favourite human. Oh, she's mine.
Hong is our go-to hair and makeup artist. You will frequently find her in the background of our vlog videos, chatting to our models and making sure our models are as comfortable as possible before stepping onto the set. She also does touch-ups throughout the shoot and uses a leaf blower. Whatever makes the shot look great, I suppose. These are the models. As the stars of the show, everything that the rest of the crew did was to make sure these 3 beautiful ladies looked perfect. They had to do some interesting things to get the shots that we needed. They were superstars and were willing to do anything to ensure we got the shot. This shoot ended up going spectacularly, if I do say so myself. It is so fun to see the team come together to pull off a project this fun and energetic. Make sure you let us know if you would like to see more of this ragtag group behind the scenes of these fun shoot days.
You're lying! No, Paige!